Hey guys, welcome back. Hopefully, whoa, wait, where am I? Noise. Okay. Um, come on, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, I think maybe the Hilda girl was having the lag thing. Okay, so for this video, right, I'll be doing joke runs, which means, I will leave right before the run ends. Actually, you know what? I'll think about it. Sometimes I do that just to have fun at HMS. I have maxed out my HMS, so I've MU-beat him. He took a real... Oh, that's not how you use the shield, brother. What? Oh, why did I move? Okay. I tend to practice HMS a lot. I used to... man, I'm really bad at this right now. I used to practice HMS a lot, and just, you know, I used to be bad at it, really bad at it. Like, maybe a lot of people don't dare to do HMS because they feel like they are not gonna be able to do it. I was there before. I have tried everything, man. I tell you, I have suffered from sleepless nights. I have suffered from hours of just grinding and trying and failing. And you know what? At the end of the day, I finally did it. I did it once, and I did it again. And I can... Oh, dear God. That's the end of the run. Okay. I think it's the end, though.
Can't let it end like this.
I think I shouldn't have left. Oh well. Okay. I mean, I have been there. Everyone has been there. The top... No, the only 1% of the population who has cleared HMS has been there. So not everyone is like destined to do it. You can do it. All you need to do is just try. And now that they have this prelude, wasn't that the Cerise who died? But it's not really her fault though. It was the healer's fault. Was it the healer's fault? I was pretty sure that was the healer's fault. Yeah. The key is not to sweat it. Just keep trying. People will say stuff like "good job," you know. Well, that kind of stuff really sucks. For me personally, I just quit. There's no point. There's no point ruining someone else's day. You don't gain anything out of it. So, you know what? Lose, rerun. That's it. It's as simple as that. So even if you are the one who messed up, rerun. It's okay. It's all cool. Everyone is learning. Okay? So just keep that in mind, you know. Don't be afraid of failing. Really do not be afraid of failing. I'm serious on this. If you're gonna be so afraid of failing, you will never ever complete this, and I assure you that HMS is really a lot easier than it seems. It's a lot easier than it seems. And you know what? It's even easier than HMS? Hybrid Hilda. That's right, Hybrid Hilda is a lot easier than HMS. However, Hybrid Hilda has a little ridiculous thing called stat. What's that called? Stat requirement. Some kind of ridiculously difficult stat requirement, but you know what? Now it's a lot easier since you can do double prints. You can do stuff like oh wait, am I? Okay. Okay, cool. 6k Miko, I think. And I'm doing this, that's fine. What was I saying? Yeah. Now that you have like double prints and stuff like that, Hybrid Hilda is really not so difficult anymore. Yeah. Ooh, nice. Yeah, to be honest, I have never ever been good at action games, action RPGs. You know, like things that things that what? Why did he just spit that one last spit? He spit like because he didn't get a chance to spit, and he got broken. So he did like some. He did like some revenge spit. Oh, that sounds weird. But yeah. That was funny. I got confused there, you know. Because basically the only reason why I can speak for the most part. Well, oh my bad. The reason why I can speak while playing is cause I have memorized everything. So that's really not bad. Oh no, I messed up. Again. Okay, so I've memorized everything. It really just takes practice. That's all it really is. It's just practice, 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 practice. Well, am I like left out of the dragon party or something? Why you do that? Wow, nice. Solid win. Wow, 150. Very good. Very, very nice. Nice. Oh, I wanted to leave. Oh, I wanted to leave the round. Oh, rest in peace, my precious. My precious. What do you call that again? Sand, the dust thing, the magic dust, whatever it's called. Oh, rest in peace. Okay. Wait. I save a lot, that's good. You know what, yeah, I can just like, the ashes, I can just, squander it, it's fine. But I don't really like to, I mean, I've been through that where I really run through 80, 90 ashes, just to clear the part before me. MUB HMS. There was this period of time where I was going really crazy over it. I really wanted the MUB. And of course it paid off right now when the next dragon will be High Mercury. Ooh, look at that! A lane! Sweet. I've never seen a lane in action before. Let's go, let's go! Show me your double resistance. Show me your double resistance magic, man. Double resistance and it's only 75%. It's quite sad. Like, don't you have a Yuden who is, I like to say, is so much better? Oh, he's a spear. Oh, I see. I mean, okay, honestly, I really don't know too much about 3-star characters. To me, they're like 65 extra moments. That's all they really are. But I'm not saying that that's wrong. I mean, you can totally... Oh, what am I doing? Man, my fingers are so slow today. You can totally run with 3-star characters, that's fine. You know what? I really miss the days where there weren't this conditional rooming thing. Because back then, literally, you would usually see betas hosting. Come on, guys. Come on. This is bad. Okay, you literally see betas hosting most of the time. But now because of the... Okay, I'm just gonna lay low. Oh my goodness! Okay, but now because of the conditioning, it makes a lot more sense for healers to host. Just because the healers can set that might requirement. But it wouldn't really make a lot of sense for me to set a 5.5k might requirement and then not have healers join my team, right?
Come on! Yes! Yes! No flame! Blazing circlet!
What does Alane do? Oh my goodness, this team is really slow.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Yeah, I really like hosting. It mitigates all these unnecessary lag. Oh, this is like one of the slowest run I've ever had. I mean, as of date, of course.
Holy protection.
Blazing circlet! Noble flame! Yes! Exalted fire!
Yay! Okay, I really have to transform right now. I usually do not use my skill, my dragon skill. I just forget about it. Until now. Boom. Yeah, I use it like right before I disappear.
Yes. Blazing run. Yes.
Okay, back off, guys. Back off. Hey, 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 hey.
Victory.
Hey, yo, yo, hey, yo, hey, yo. Oh, look at that.
Come forth.
Hey, yo. You guys watch Key and Peele, man. Hilarious. Hilarious.
Come on. Yes. 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 Yes.
Nice, I just like ate one of the tornadoes. I do not know how. I mean, I had a shield, but I made it disappear.
Come on. Explosive fire.
This throat of mine is not getting better.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, kind sir. See what weird. It's so weird when you are
Yes.
not hosting. It's like
Blazing
everything just doesn't make sense.
Try this.
Oh, now it's gonna be like the second, yeah.
This
Empress.
come forth.
Guys, I can't do this. Oh man. Oh, GG. GG. What is happening? Yeah, I mean, I think by the golem spot you would more or less know whether the run is gonna go fine or not. Given that there are 2 1-prints now at the golems, if you are not even my mic nearly fell. If you're not even close to breaking the dragon,
Hey there.
it's a rerun.
Found us a real
Pretty much.
challenge, eh? Then let's go.
Part before me.
Really? Why'd you leave though? I mean, I have the prints. I mean, I have the epithets, but come on, 5.7k. There's no reason for you to leave. Oh yeah, if you're a new player and you're wondering, you know, I'm trying to like squeeze some damage in, and you know, I just keep running out of time, and then like, so I become a bit more aggressive, and you know, and because I'm aggressive, I die more frequently, stuff like that. Yes, that happens. That is a thing.
Part before me.
And then you become scared. You become scared of.
Found us a real challenge, eh?
You become scared
Then
of
let's go crack some skulls.
actually playing, because you're like, what? I need to be so extremely focused all the time. I need to keep like, oh, I need to dodge this, I need to dodge that. I need to like really focus so much on my fight, and just maybe so that I could clear it. Don't think too much about it. Don't push yourself too much. Generally speaking, my runs usually clear with at least a minute left. It's quite rare to see less than a minute left on the clock. To be honest, it's really quite rare. Given that there are double 1-prints right now, it's really easy. So if you feel that, you know what, you're not like, should you be doing something extra and stuff like that, if you have to think about it that way, chances are your teammates either suck or you're not good enough. I like to play all these difficult trials with peace of mind, so I tend to like, you know, just make sure that I'm fully kit, fully equipped. I really don't understand why like these Mikotos they leave. Hard life of a bait. Oh!
Yes! Exalted fire! Blazing circlet!
Gonna Tempest here. And then follow it up with a dodge.
Try this!
I shall rend you asunder.
Fifth leg. I wonder what.
Evil in it.
Yes.
Oh no. Oh no.
Blazing sword. Yes.
Boom. Oh jeez. Oh. I just said right. I don't use my skill one until the rip. Major rip.
Stand aside. Stand aside.
Oh, why did I even like get out of it? Bad game. Bad skills.
Shall rend you asunder.
Oh my god!
Yes.
Crimson impact.
Blazing sword.
Yeah, I got it. No props here, man. Why didn't he? Wait. Oh, what happened there? What happened there? Can I do this solo?
Tempest.
Can I do this solo, guys? Back out. Back out, guys. Oh no.
Try this.
Can I do this solo? That's a question.
Exalted fire. Yes.
Well, I don't have Phoenix anymore, so that's one thing to take note of. Okay, guys, back out, back out, back out, back out. Okay, I definitely do not have Phoenix anymore. And GG. Okay, so, you know, oh what? I survived?
Yes.
I survived? Amazing! Then die in the air. Okay, but anyway, I've already done my
I can't let it end like this.
my 3 runs. This has been like just some small talk, you know. If you're a new player or you haven't done this yet, you know, don't be afraid of it. You know, there's a prelude here. Do the prelude. Equip your worst weapons possible, really the worst weapons possible, and fight it. This is so that you can delay the fight as long as possible, and then you and then you start coughing, you know, and then you get like diseases and stuff like that. And yeah, but the point is you delay the fight as long as possible, and so you get a hang of like what to expect, what's coming, how to deal with it, memorize the moves. It's really all about, okay, you know what? It's memory, but it's not really memory. It's muscle memory. It's more like muscle memory, because like, I'm speaking and I can still do the run and stuff like that. It's really like something that will become second nature to you. So don't think too much about it. Just do it. Okay. So with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.